how I find people that will literally give you their credit card. Every single day, people spend about $3 billion online, and I'm sure you're one of those people. Here's how to get this money instead of give it. Head over to this website, TikTok Creative Center. Here you'll find the data on what people are most interested in buying right now. Scroll down and then go to health, last 30 days, and you'll see all of the top health trends right now. As you can see, at number 2 is collagen. We'll go with that one. Now what you're gonna do is go to Suppleful.com, type in collagen, and right away you'll see that there's a bunch of collagen products available for us to sell right away. What this company does is allows us to sell these products without ordering inventory up front. So when someone gives us their credit card, all we do is pay this company and they'll send the products straight to them. Once you click on the collagen gummies, you'll see that we can get them for around $9 a unit. If you type in collagen gummies on Google, you'll see that most people are selling them for around $30, and some are even selling them for upwards of $100 for one package. That's perfect, because rule of thumb with an e-commerce business is you want to multiply your product cost by 3 so that you have at least a 60% margin to play with. Click customize and sell, and all we have to do is follow this 3-step process. First, customize your label so that we can put our own logo and label on this container. I just went over to Canva, quickly made this one right here, upload it, and then click start. Instagram only allows 1 minute and 30 for their videos, so we ran out of time. If you want the rest of that tutorial,
Comment part 2 and I'll send it to you.